Welcome to Life in English podcast.
Hello and welcome, I'm Jen.
And I'm Kevin. This is our show for learning English.
Today's topic is very useful.
Yes. Today we talk about taking the bus or train.
Do you take the bus, Kevin?
Sometimes, when I go to work,
Oh, nice. I take the train every day.
the train is fast, right?
Yes, it is fast, but sometimes it is late.
Ah, late? That is not good. For me, the bus is slow, but I like it.
Why do you like the bus?
I can see the city. I look out the window.
That sounds nice. On the train, I see fields.
Fields? Where do you live?
I live in the suburbs. The train goes to the city.
Ah, I live in the city center. So for me, the bus is better.
Today we learn words for buses and trains.
Good. Let's start with some basic words.
First word, bus stop.
Bus stop. Where the bus stops.
Yes, you wait at the bus stop.
Repeat after me. Bus stop.
Bus stop.
Good. Next word. Train station.
Train station, where the train arrives.
You buy a ticket at the train station.
Ticket, that is another word.
Yes, ticket. You need a ticket to ride.
You can buy a ticket at the machine.
Or at the counter.
Sometimes you can buy online.
Online? With your phone?
Yes, with your phone. That is easy.
I like the ticket machine. It is simple.
Me too. But sometimes it is confusing.
Haha, yes. Many buttons.
Let's practice. Imagine you are at a bus stop.
You say, "Excuse me, does this bus go to the museum?"
That is a good question. Repeat it.
Excuse me, does this bus go to the museum?
The answer, yes, it does. Or, no, you need bus number 5.
Bus number 5. Numbers are important.
You can say, I need bus number 10.
Or, which train goes to the airport?
Airport. That is a big destination.
Sometimes the bus goes to the airport. But the train is faster to the airport.
I agree. I always take the train to the airport.
Let's talk about schedule. Schedule means times.
You can see the schedule at the stop or station.
It shows the time the bus or train comes.
For example, 8:15, 900 10:30.
You can say, the next bus is at 9:15.
Or, the last train is at 11 p.m.
Last train, if you miss it, you are in trouble.
Haha, yes. I missed the last train once.
Oh no, what happened?
I had to take a taxi. It was expensive.
That is not good. Always check the schedule.
Now let's dive deeper. Another word, fare.
Fare. That is the money you pay for the ride.
Yes, bus fare or train fare.
Some buses have a flat fare. Same price everywhere.
Other buses have a fare based on distance.
Distance. How far you go.
You can ask, how much is the fare to the zoo?
Good question. The answer, it is $2.
Or, you need a transfer for a longer ride.
Transfer. That means you change bus or train.
Yes, you go from bus to train or bus to bus.
You can say, I need to transfer at Central Station.
Central Station is a big station where many trains stop.
Now let me tell you a funny story. Last week, I took the bus to work. But it was the wrong bus. I got on bus number 12.
Oh no, what bus did you need?
I needed bus number 2. The numbers look similar.
Haha, 12 and 2. That is easy to confuse.
Yes. I sat down and looked at the map. I saw we were going the wrong way.
What did you do?
I got off at the next stop and waited.
That is smart. Did you find the right bus?
Yes, after 10 minutes. I was late for work.
But you learned a lesson. Check the number.
Yes, always look at the number before boarding.
I have a similar story with the train. One time I took the express train by mistake.
Express train? That is a fast train with fewer stops.
Yes. But I needed the local train that stops everywhere.
Oh, so you went too far.
Yes, I passed my station. I had to go back.
That is annoying, but now you know.
Yes. Before the train comes, I check if it is an express.
You can ask other people too. Say, is this the local train to downtown?
Repeat that. Is this the local train to downtown?
Good. Now let's do a model dialogue.
A role play. I'm a tourist. You are a local.
Okay, let's start.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes? How can I help you?
I need to go to the park. Is there a bus?
Yes, take bus number 7. It stops at the park.
Where is the bus stop?
It is around the corner. See the blue sign?
Yes, I see it. How much is the fare?
$1. You can pay with cash or card.
Great. Does the bus come every 15 minutes?
Yes, the schedule says every 15 minutes until 10 p.m.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Enjoy the park.
That was a nice dialogue. Did you hear the phrases?
Yes, take bus number 7. Where is the bus stop?
Also, how much is the fare? Very useful.
Now let's do another one, but with the train.
Okay, you are a passenger. I am a ticket seller.
Good. I come to the counter. Hello. I need a ticket to the beach.
One way or round trip?
One way, please. I will come back later.
That is fine. The one-way ticket is $5. Here is your ticket. The train leaves from platform 3.
Platform 3. And when does it leave?
At 11:20. You have 10 minutes.
Thank you. I will go to the platform.
Enjoy your day at the beach.
Great dialogue. I learned platform and one way.
Platform is where the train stops, like track.
And round trip means you go and come back.
Now let's talk about some tips for beginners.
Tip number 1. Always have your ticket ready.
Yes, before you board, show your ticket or tap your card.
Tip 2. Stand back from the edge when the train comes.
Safety first. Do not stand too close.
Tip 3. Hold on to a handle if you stand up.
Buses and trains can move fast and stop suddenly.
Yes, so hold a handle or sit down.
Tip 4. Ask for help if you are lost.
You can say, I am lost. Can you help me?
People are usually friendly and helpful.
Tip 5. Learn the names of common places.
Like downtown, station, airport, hospital.
You can practice saying them.
Repeat after me. Downtown,
Downtown.
station,
Station.
airport,
Airport.
hospital.
Hospital.
Good. Now let's review all the keywords.
Bus stop. Train station. Ticket. Fare.
Schedule, platform, transfer, one-way round trip.
Express. Local bus number. Train number.
Great list. Practice them at home.
Now we have a special request for our listeners.
Yes, we want you to join the conversation.
Tell us in the comments below.
What is the worst thing that happened to you on a bus or train?
Or maybe a funny story.
Answer in English. Use the words you learned today.
For example, I took the wrong bus and got lost.
Or, I missed the last train and had to walk home.
We will read some comments in our next episode.
So write your story in the YouTube comments below.
Please try to answer in English. We believe in you.
And if you are shy, just say I once and finish.
That is a great start. Use simple sentences.
Now it is time to say goodbye.
Thank you for listening to Life in English podcast.
We hope you learned something new today.
Practice taking the bus or train in English.
Use the words and phrases we shared.
See you next time.
Bye.
Take care and happy travels.
Remember, every journey starts with a small step.
Or a small bus ride. Haha.
Ha ha ha. Yes. See you.
Goodbye.